Ace, come here. Where are you at? Get over here. Ace. Look, he's taking off on me. Look at this home. This is a model home, everybody. This is 10 by 36. This is still one of our kind of our custom homes, but we've turned it a hybrid into our model with the overhangs, the corbels, the LP, the trim, the light fixture, the board and batten with the horizontal. I know I'm throwing this out really quick, but I talk about these amenities over and over so much. I don't want to bore you with them, but I just came out here. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you a quick tour of this thing. But look at this, the construction up here, this box that we had to build for that corbel to sit on, right? And look at this. Tell me this does not look like a beautiful craftsman style home that you would find in a really nice neighborhood, like a normal stick built home. And that's what I've mimicked this. I've tried to make it look like, there's your hose bib on here. I'm trying to not make you guys sick. Range hood vent. There's your trim. All right. Say your trim. Look at the caulking in behind this. This is LP siding, diamond coat. We love this stuff. There's the exposed rafters underneath there. Yep. Guys are doing a good job, man. Outside plug. Here's a butt joint, and we have this seam. This is a metal, this is a bracket, it's not metal. What it is, it's aluminum painted. And it actually, when the two pieces of siding come together, right? I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and I'm bringing you this beautiful home today. We're in Newport, Tennessee, the home of Incredible Tiny Homes. That's an air exchanger. All right, yeah, look at this porch. Come on, everybody, stop. I know you guys are drooling. You gotta be. Look at this. This is a 36-foot long building, trailer with a 10 by 26 structure with a 10-foot porch. Look at it. You know, in the very future, they're gonna turn that into a family room or something, I'm sure. But look at the gable. Look now, look how we trimmed this out. It's not hollow. So this, all they have to do, that's insulated. Everything's done. They have to insulate the floor if they ever want to add on. But this is a massive amount of construction that you would never see on a tiny home, even a park model. Park models are not built like this. And I'll show you the floor plan that we've loved. This has got gutters on it, LP siding, big trailer, ready to be hauled. All right, let's go inside. I told the guys to keep working. They were listening to Alan Jackson and just jamming in here. And God, I wish we could have kept it going, but that had been a good theme. But look at this. Beautiful ceiling, a spot for a ceiling fan. Inside, more trim that makes this place look. You see how we're detailing these things out? Look at the trim. Look. This is a porch. Look at the trim on the porch. You know, stop this video, zoom in, look at it. I'm not trying to hide nothing. I'm not trying to go too fast. I'm not trying to do anything. Just look at it. It's caulked along the top. This is a vinyl window. Yeah, we could go a wood aluminum clad window that costs $500, but we use these vinyl windows from Lowe's, and they have just served us great. All right, big 6x6. We probably we could have went with a 4x4. You know what? It doesn't look good, I don't think, with a 4x4. That's why I wanted a big, massive post. Let's go inside. Okay, remember the 10 by 20 home? Had a staircase right there. This is one of our floor plans from our models, but it's a 26-foot home, so that means it's a little custom. This has no dormers on it, so it's really like an RJO, right? And not a Freedom. And inside, so there's no dormers here. That's all storage. Behind that little knee wall is a water heater behind it, and I'll show you guys that. This is another living room. Let me back up. Of like we were talking about, like 120 square feet. So when you come in here, now this is a traffic area, so you go straight to your closet. So really, maybe a piece of furniture from here to there, because you got a traffic area. This is why normally I always put a window on our door on that side, and you've got all three walls to put furniture on. But this is a custom home, and they've got their own plan, which is all right. You got a double window there, single window, and of course the glass door. There's our mini split, which is in perfect line. It goes through the loft into, guess what? Back bedroom. There's your panel box, entertainment center, closet. And then if you go over here, here's your kitchen. And this is our famous kitchen floor plan layout. Is you have your kitchen, your bathroom. And because of no staircase here, the bathroom is larger. And I'm going to show you that. There's your cooktop. Well, they don't have a cooktop. They must have amped out or what they're going to do. Like I said, it is custom. Their lights. Here's your barn door. These guys are going at it. So they indented with the sink. And of course, you got their shower, which is that looks like a 36-inch shower. And we can do that without a staircase. And then, of course, how this is built out, there's going to be a washer and dryer behind that. As you guys can see, here's your exhaust fan, light, vanity, toilet, nice bathroom. Let me get right by here, buddy. Thank you. Now, this bedroom is a little short because it's a 26-foot home. Our Charleston, let me get back here. So the Charleston, we made 30 feet and gave you 4 more feet. But think about it. If you just have a twin bed, you're fine in here. You got tons of room. This is 10 foot wide. And then you've got, back up, you got 2 windows in here. Stackable washer and dryer, right? Closet. Let me open this door for you. Look at this beautiful closet. Now we're putting these closets in our Charleston because normally the water heater would go there and then you've got a closet to hang stuff in too. And then over there's your washer and dryer. Now you could have put the washer and dryer in the living room, behind in the closet. But what happens is because it's so wide, it would have pushed that wall and they would have had a 32-inch shower. There's not much room in between the bathroom and the kitchen. So that's why we put it in here and right behind is a toilet. You would think I knew what I was talking about because I designed this. Every inch of this thing, look at that. Beautiful ceiling fan. That allows the air to flow through from that mini split. 10 by 36. Let me go back here. You can see the sconce lights. Just take that in. And then look out here. I'm going to show you. Look at, can I show you? Oh, maybe over here. Yeah, look at just the corbels right there and the sweeping overhangs. It's going to protect this window. It surely will. And then the gutters on both sides of the house. Yeah. I love these guys. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. I'm Randy Jones, Incredible Tiny Homes, showing you another one of these custom beautiful homes. And you know what? Let me show you this porch again. Yep, the trim, right? And there you have it. Beautiful. This is one of our hybrid model custom homes coming to you from Newport, Tennessee. Incredible Tiny Homes. Thanks for watching.